Yo, today I'm not gonna make an haircut with this clipper and this trimmer. This is just gonna be only an unboxing of these two machines. Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching a Do Unboxing Official, so stay tuned. Alright. So, as you can see, this trimmer got no brand, but just a model number JM 701, and it looks like a VGR V085. Also the same like Kemei 700B. They are the same. Just this one is a transparent trimmer, you know. And this one, this is Hatteker SK 1609, and it's a mixture between Resuxi JM 101 and Hatteker SK 523. It's just a mixture, you know. First of all, let's see what they got, you know. It's got a 10 watt charging time 2 hours, operating time 240 minutes. Okay, it's not bad. And got 1500 milliamp battery, charging cable. Got also 3 transparent guides, the manual, little brush. You see that? This is transparent. I unboxed something similar, it's the same, but that wasn't a transparent trimmer. Transparent blade protector. Got, and so this one, you can zero gap it. So charging port, just trim it. I like also transparent. 1500 milliamp battery, 3.7 volt. Okay, and no logo. So the Hatteker, okay, here it's rating 10 watts. And milliamp battery, it's not written, but maybe it will be on the manual. Let's see. Got a lot of guards, A and B. Brush. Number 2 and 5. Number 1 and number 6, number 3 and number 4. Charging cable and the manual. So let's see if maybe it's rating or not. $10 charging time 3 hours, operating time 180 minutes, but still it's not rating how many milliamp battery. So this is it, guys. First of all, let's make a sound check. And this one, it's like a wall senior. You see that? and the grooves. I like such clipper, you know. And got clicky lever, but just for clicking lever. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. It's not enough. And the range. Okay, looks good. Really looks good. See that? And the blade is not the best. Cutting blade, a little bit thin, but not really that thin, but it's also thin. And they got the same battery. You see that? Just trim it. Here, I can't see. Here is not written how many milliamp battery. Okay, it's inside. Oh. Okay. So let's make our sound check. So that's it, guys, and peace, man.